Hi friends, welcome to a new vlog. We are actually gonna go out to Jacksonville today, have a little shopping day because we just wanted to get out of the house and walk around. We haven't been to Jacksonville in a little while, so we're just gonna make it a casual shopping day today. We're gonna swing by Starbucks and get a little breakfast and then head off for the day. I just need to put on some shoes because I still have my slippers on, and then we are out the door. Leela, darling, you look beautiful this morning. You look so beautiful this morning. At home still has lots of Halloween everywhere, but don't be fooled because it's Christmas also. I feel like these bottles look weird, like with the face at the bottom. Like it just looks like it has a really long cone head. No, it's Halloween, but we couldn't resist grabbing a couple things for Christmas because who knows when we'll come back here. Look at how cute. It's so cute. I love it. If you were not around last year, what we do for Christmas time is like I go bananas for Christmas like in our living areas, but for Christmas time we still keep it Halloween in our bedroom because we already do kind of like a Tim Burton theme in there anyway. So we just like lean into the Nightmare Before Christmas vibes like in Christmas too. So we'll like keep it Halloweenified, but we'll have like a Halloween themed Christmas tree, and like I think we have a spooky nutcracker and like a spooky glass Christmas tree and stuff like that. But regardless, he will fit really nice in there. And I just love that there's a vampire teddy. Yeah. I love that I feel like Vampire Teddy's getting more recognition. But we're done with At Home. We didn't really buy any new Halloween decor because there wasn't really anything new, which I didn't expect there to be. But they still had a decent amount of stuff, but we did buy a few Christmassy items just because it will be time to decorate in just a few weeks. As much as I don't want to admit Halloween season, it will be over soon. Unfortunately, it will be, but I am excited to decorate for Christmas. So I picked up a couple things, and now we're gonna head to the St. John's Town Center to eat lunch and shop around, and it's already a million degrees, and yeah. Do you have any comments, Zane?
Nope.
How are you feeling today?
I'm hungry.
Yeah, I'm trying to decide where to eat. We might go to California Pizza Kitchen because they have like a plant-based chicken pizza. So we might do that, but I'm looking at what other restaurants they have because it's been a while since we've been. So we'll see when we get there. We got the tostada pizza with plant-based chicken. You want to taste test it?
Well, I gotta make a plate.
All right, give it a taste. Is that good? Why is the sliding so bad? We just got done with our little shopping trip. I'll do a haul when we get back. But we're just gonna head home now. It's like 4 now, so it'll be a couple hours before we're home. Then I'll do the haul, and then we'll eat dinner. I don't know if we're gonna cook or if we're gonna eat out again, because we might be tired by the time we get home.
Yeah, we'll see.
We'll find out. All right, I am home. Let's do a little haul. We swung by Barnes & Noble first, and Zane's been wanting this board game for a while. So we grabbed that because they had it. It's called Horrified. It's like just a co-op game trying to defeat monsters and stuff. So we'll play this soon, probably. I'm excited. I didn't even know this was a thing, so that's news to me, but it looks good. And then even though like I literally don't read, as much as I want to be a reader, I just don't have time. And like I need to get into audiobooks, but in my mind, I want to read physical books, so then I don't read audiobooks, but then I don't read at all. By the way, all the cats are eating right now, so if you hear little crunches, that's what it is. But I wanted to read this book, The Long Live the Pumpkin Queen. It's like a sequel to Nightmare Before Christmas, and I've heard it's actually pretty good, and I heard it's a really easy read, like it's just a an easy book, you know, but I wanted to get this so I can hopefully find time to read that. And yeah, wish me luck. I also went to Starbucks at the St. John's Town Center, and they had one of the Halloween tumblers in stock, and I really wanted this one. This like bright lime green, spiky. Yeah, I like the Starbucks tumblers a lot, and I've wanted a new one, so there's that. Zane picked up a new game at GameStop for his PS5, so he just got a PS5 a few weeks ago for his birthday. The Returnal. Zane, do you want to come explain this game? Because I don't know what it's about. What is this game about? I don't know this game. All I have to do is play The Sims.
I don't know that much about it, like story-wise, but I know that it's got the... it's a roguelike game where you kind of... when you die, you gotta start from the beginning. Kind of like other games I play, like Binding of Isaac. And it's supposed to be really fun. And only on the PS5, so. I
went to Lush. I don't shop at Lush very often, but every so often when I'm near one, because there isn't one in my town, I'll pick up a couple things. So that's what I did. I got the Magic Crystals body scrub. Hi, Felix.
He wanted to contribute.
But it's the Magic Crystals like shower scrub. It smells really good. It just smells very like, I don't know, minty. It's like a purple goo. But I really like this, so and I dropped some on me. Give me a towel, quick.
Oh no.
I just dropped a glob on me. Thank you. Over here making messes. Like the perfect little glob on my lap. Then the other thing I got is the cup of coffee mask. I've gone through so many of these over the years. It's just a like coffee based like scrub. Try to show it to you without spilling it again. Just kind of looks like coffee. It's just wonderful. It's exfoliating, and I like this. It's a nice one to use in the morning every so often. And then last, I went to Aerie. We also don't have one of these in my town, and I really like Aerie. I like what they stand for, I like their message, and their stuff is very cozy. I grabbed this bralette because I liked the color, this kind of like grungy brown, almost burnt orangey, and it's very soft. And I live in bralettes and sports bras. I don't remember the last time I wore a real bra because I like comfort. I also got this hoodie on clearance. I think everything I got except one thing was like heavily discounted today. But it's like this hoodie sweatshirt, and it's very cute. I like the kind of scrunchy sides, and it's really soft, and it has a hood, and we're getting into cozy season, and I already like cozy clothes, so that will be fun to have. I also got this sweater. It's so soft, and it's like cropped and super cute and kind of distressed and grungy, and I just really like it. I love how cozy and soft this one is. These I already have, but I got another pair. It's the crossover leggings. I have a few pairs of the flared ones, and I have one pair of these where it's just like the straight leg. And I wanted a second pair of these because I do like to work out in these straight leg ones. They're very soft and cozy. And then last but not least was this. Thought these would be really comfy to sleep in. They're kind of like boxer style, like sleep shorts. And I really liked them. So I got these to wear to sleep, just some cozy things. And I'm very excited about it. So that's the haul from our shopping trip. We're gonna tidy this up and then make some dinner. And then I'll probably go on a run this evening once the sun finishes like setting a little bit more so it cools down a little bit. And that's about it. But we're gonna clean this up and make dinner now. Making some salads to go with our dinner. We're just gonna have like rice bowls with veggies and plant-based sausage in it. Super simple. We do this all the time. Got these little salad toppings. Use my nail to pierce that bad boy open. Do you want cucumbers in yours too, or no?
No.
You chop up that whole cucumber.
Yeah, I told you we should save it rather than let it sit.
It'll motivate me to eat more salads for lunch. I didn't used to like cucumbers at all, but now I love them in salads. I think it's so fresh. I don't eat much cheese lately because I try to avoid it since my belly gets sensitive to it, but I do like a little sprinkle of something in a salad or something sometimes. This won't kill me. It's eating like a bucket of chips and queso. That'll kill me. Do you want some cheese, Zane?
Yes.
Do you want anything else on your salad since you don't want tomatoes or cucumbers? Or do you just want like a basic salad? With just lettuce and salad toppings and cheese?
I guess
That's fine for a side salad. Chop in my squashes. These are the field roast. I think these are the Italian sausages, right?
I don't remember what flavor we got.
I know these aren't the apple ones, so I don't like the apple one as much. I think this is the Italian. They're really good. We've been eating them for years. We get them at Whole Foods, but we've also gotten them at like Publix, possibly Target. We've seen them everywhere. They're really, really yummy, and they really do give you the sausage vibes if you're someone who doesn't eat meat, but you miss that vibe. And it makes meals very, very simple. We also love zucchini and squash. I feel like well, we don't eat it as much as we could, but I feel like we eat it a decent amount. I don't think there's gonna be a good point this evening when it actually cools down. It's gonna like be in the 80s till like 9 p.m. That's a lie. I think it's like 78 right now, but I want it to cool down more, but I think I'm just gonna have to suffer. Get this guy out, get out, get out, get out.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh, the cats are going wild. All right, gonna cook all this up now while the rice finishes up. And go ahead and throw it in the pan then?
Yep.
Oh gosh, Absal's going nuts over some toys right now.
One toy, the little coffee bean.
Surprised Felix isn't in here begging for food right now.
Some seasoning. We got this umami seasoning, and then of course salt and pepper.
How about some garlic?
I'll do some garlic powder.
I always use garlic powder, are you kidding me? Look at these boys. They look like they're sitting here for a cooking lesson or something. Hey boys, what you guys doing down there? You look kind of silly. Edelyn, I'm sorry. It's too hot out right now to open the door. Later. I'm sorry. Edelyn! I'm so sorry. It's too hot out. Don't worry, this week it's gonna be nice and chilly out, and then you can go outside all day for a few days. How's that sound? Sounds like a deal? Felix, how was your day? Boop? Oh, Edelyn swooped in and stole your boop. Here you go, boop. Edelyn, thanks for the hug. Hey buddy, hey buddy. You're such a good boy. Oh, Absol. It's a good baby. Bone apple tea. This actually feels like a very autumn dinner because it's so yellow with the squash. We're going to watch some of Drag Race UK Season 2 because we're almost done with it. And then I'm gonna go on my run, right? You look very pretty tonight. You're very squeaky. Weeds. I am dying. Just did a cute little 2-mile run. I don't usually work out with a full face of makeup like this, but I knew I was gonna be showering immediately after, so I was like, I'm not even bothered. So that's what I'm gonna do right now is I'm going to shower because I am dying. I'm gonna take like a freezing cold shower probably. And then we're gonna watch the new Hellraiser because I really wanna see it. I've heard it's good. Edelyn, you wanna go outside? You can go outside. If I can go outside, you can go outside. That's only fair. Watch, she's like a torpedo. Go on. Pew! But yeah, we're gonna watch Hellraiser and I'll let you know how it goes. I'm gonna make these cute little hot chocolates that Rare Beauty sent over with a package that I talked about in the last vlog. These will be nice to have during the movie. Good morning. As soon as the movie ended last night, I passed out because I was so sleepy. It was really good though. I loved all the different makeup on all the characters. It was so good. I really liked how the story played out. And yeah, I recommend it if you're interested. I thought it was a good watch, but I'm gonna end the vlog here now because that was my intention yesterday, but then I was too sleepy to close out the vlog last night. But I'm gonna end it here. I think we had a fun just shopping day, cooking dinner, watching movies. It was a nice Sunday yesterday. I just got done filming. I did play with the Blend Bunny collection. I played with the new palette and one of the lip kits and the liner and all that good stuff. And that video will already be up by the time this vlog goes up. I'm going to edit for about 20 or 30 minutes and then I'm gonna eat and then head off to work. And there's nothing else going on today. I have kickboxing after work, but that's it. So I'm gonna end the vlog here and then start working on the next one probably tomorrow. Thank you so much for hanging out and watching. I love spending time with you. I love our little vlog corner. I think it's fun. If you made it to the end of this video, why don't you leave some emojis that relate to shopping, since that's what we did yesterday. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can follow me on my other socials. You can join the battybean fam. I'm battybean on everything, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. And if you want, you can subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. I'm posting every single day in October. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.